I'm gonna be painting this right here, that, and this part right here in a chrome green. Alright, so I cover everything with paper. It's mostly a t-shirt, my friendly towel, and whatever was left over of the magazine. So I cover everything. What I want to paint is most of these. I want to paint this part on top, and I want to paint that one too, right there. So that's gonna be painted the paint I showed you already. Beautiful paint. Wow. Beautiful. I like how it looks. Like it runs. Runs beautiful. Okay, so it's gonna be the first coating. Got everything there. Okay, it's running a little bit, but it kind of makes it look good. I like it how it's running. So I'm gonna leave it dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna try another coat on it. All right, so I put the last coat already. Now I'm gonna leave it to dry. Shiny. Wow, look how it shines. I like the shine of it. It's like peacock green. Wow, looks like something like marble, green marble. So let's wait until it dries, and then I'm gonna remove everything. All right, so the engine is done. I already painted the whole top of it, and it came out really nice from all angles. It is good from here. It looks good from the front. Yeah, it looks like a marble greenish color, shiny. And it looks good from this angle too. That's beautiful. I love my car more.